At LSAME, we provide you with marketing videos about your type of business. Videos are branded with your business name, your logo, and contact information. We offer custom videos and we always offer guarantees on ranking. Contact us now to get your video like this today and your company name on the front page of Google tomorrow. When it comes to getting your Pennsylvania State Auto Inspection done, it's important to choose a reputable auto shop that you can trust. A good auto shop will prioritize customer service, honesty, and integrity. They will be available to answer any questions you may have about the inspection process. They will provide you with a detailed explanation of the work that needs to be done on your car. They will ensure that your car passes inspection, but it is also safe to drive. They will prioritize honesty and integrity and never recommend unnecessary repairs. They will stand behind their work, taking responsibility for any issues and working to resolve them to your satisfaction. By choosing a reputable auto shop for your Pennsylvania State Auto Inspection, you are supporting a local business that is an integral part of the community. Choose a reputable auto shop for your Pennsylvania Auto State Inspection and drive with confidence.